Number 25 of the Math 3 EOC practice test. The table shows the daily account balance of a checking account. What value is closest to the average rate of change in the account balance from day 1 to day 4? All right, so we're going to use day 1 and we're going to use day 4. All right, so you have to remember what is the average rate of change. So average rate of change is very similar to, or the same thing as slope. So it's going to be y1, or let's do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It doesn't matter which point you start with as long as you subtract, but I think most of you guys learn it as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we don't change that. That's what we're going to do. So we have an x and a y. So this is our x, this is our y. And so we have two ordered pairs. So for ordered pairs are 1, 355.75, and our second ordered pair is 4, 280.68. This is just simply plugging numbers in. So we can call this x and y1 from our first point, and this is x and y2 from our second point. So y2 is 280.68 minus y1 is 355.75, and then we're going to do that over, divided by x2 minus x1, 4 minus 1. All right, so that's going to be minus 75.07. And 4 minus 1 is 3. And that's going to be negative 25.02. Now, average rate of change, you're thinking that's negative. Well, we're talking about a daily balance in your checking account. And if you see, it starts at 355, 325, 317, 280, 154. So it doesn't look like they've deposited anything into the account. It looks like it is decreasing every day through the week, so it's only a 5-day period. But the average rate of change would be negative, so that does make sense. And if you look here, all of your choices are negative. So P, negative 25.02, is the closest to that.